Hi, here I'm recording the session for Google Drive to store our customer PDFs. Here I'm taking you through the Google console. When you click on console, it is going to our API services, which is OAuth consent page. Here it is showing the traffic, errors, and users. Coming to our branding, we have one application which is accounting application, which is on the name of WhiteBooks. Our email ID is mentioned bvmtech80@gmail.com, and here we upload our WhiteBooks logo. Coming to our app domain, which is whitebooks.in. Here we mentioned our privacy policies in this URL and application terms and conditions mentioned in this URL. Our authorized domain is which is whitebooks.in, and email ID is bvmtech80@gmail.com. Coming to audience, we are in the sandbox phase. Now that is why nothing is mentioned in this page. Coming to our clients, here we are mentioning the URL which is prod.whitebooks.in. Here we are mentioning the client IDs and our URLs, which is authorized redirect URLs and creation date, everything mentioned in this client's page. Coming to data access, we are clearly giving the scope here. When you click here, you can see we are taking the options like see, edit, create, delete of the Google Drive files, and nothing is getting saved. Here we are mentioning everything. When you click on update, we are not taking anything to non-sensitive data scope. Also, we are taking the sensitive data scope, which is see, edit, create, and delete all the Google Drive files. Coming to restricted access, also we are taking the see, edit, create, and delete all Google Drive files. Here we are mentioning the scope and everything here.
It coming to our application, here I am taking you through our application. First, customer will create a login by using his email ID and password. He will sign into the application and he will select the company whatever he want. So the first thing is he will come to the settings and he will configure the Google Drive here by clicking configure now. Here I am email ID for the it coming to our application. Here I am taking you through our application. First, customer will create a login by using his email ID and password. He will sign into the application and he will select the company whatever he want. So the first thing is he will come to the settings and he will configure the Google Drive here by clicking on create the invoice. Here he will select the company name. Here he will mention all the details which he will mention here, and he can attach a file. Whenever customer attaches the file here, automatically it will get saved. Once the saving is done, it should get stored in the customer Google Drive account here. Once this is done, customer can click on this. Automatically it should get downloaded from his Google Drive. Like here you can see the file, it got downloaded. It should open like this. So we request you to grant the access for our production server so that we can start our work. Thank you, thanks a lot.